BlockChain Daily News, February 16, 2024. Bitcoin once exceeded $52,000, with a market value exceeding $1 trillion, and funds were flowing out of gold. Powell held a closed-door meeting with House Democrats and revealed that a framework for stable currencies needs to be developed. On Wednesday, Bitcoin's market capitalization exceeded the $1 trillion mark for the first time since late 2021, surpassing Tesla, TSMC, Eli Lilly, and BlockChain to become the 10th most valuable asset in the world. However, analysts pointed out, the inflows Bitcoin has received appear to have come at the expense of gold ETF outflows. On Wednesday, Bitcoin rose again, once exceeding $52,000 during the session, setting a new high in more than 2 years, and its market value exceeded the $1 trillion mark for the first time since late 2021. At the same time, on Tuesday local time, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell held a closed-door meeting with Democrats at the House Financial Services Committee, FSC. A person familiar with the matter who asked not to be named said that Powell told lawmakers, "We need to develop a framework for stablecoins." He very much supports this, and is happy to see this work coming to an end. Financial blog Zero Hedge commented that while everyone's attention is focused on the rise of Nvidia, Bitcoin's market value has quietly surpassed Tesla, TSMC, Eli Lilly, and Berkshire Hathaway, becoming the 10th largest in the world. Most valuable asset. Bitcoin's 24-hour increase reached more than 6%, and data from Coinmetrics showed that its intraday maximum reached $52,079, the highest level since December 2021. Since then, Bitcoin's gains have retraced to a certain extent. According to CoinMarketCap data, Bitcoin's market capitalization rose to over $1 trillion. Driven by Bitcoin, digital currency concept stocks / blockchain concept stocks generally rose. Canaan Technology ADR rose by more than 19%, and internet celebrity brokerage Robinhood opened 16% higher, the largest intraday gain since August 2022. Hut 8 rose 12%, and MicroStrategy Investment MSTR, which holds a large number of Bitcoins, rose 11.8%. When the Bitcoin spot ETF first started trading on January 11, the price of Bitcoin briefly exceeded $49,000 that day. However, in the following days, Bitcoin plummeted by more than $10,000, partly because investors took profits and waited to see what happened. Another big reason for how well the ETF performed is that FTX sold off 22 million shares of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust worth nearly $1 billion. After several days of correction, the Bitcoin ETF has resumed its upward trend. The listing of the spot Bitcoin ETF has played a significant role in promoting the market. Investor sentiment has become more positive, and the market demand for Bitcoin has increased. Data from CryptoQuant shows that more than 75% of new investments into Bitcoin are through these ETFs. Since the spot Bitcoin ETF began trading on January 11th, approximately $9.5 billion in new funds have been invested in the Bitcoin market through these ETFs. On Tuesday, there was an inflow of $651 million, which was the largest single-day inflow since the launch of the spot Bitcoin ETF. On Tuesday, the ETF issuer requested 12,000 Bitcoins, while only 900 are being produced each day, meaning demand is starting to exceed the supply of new issuances. In the early days of the Bitcoin ETF's listing, Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF once experienced large-scale capital outflows, which suppressed market sentiment, but now the withdrawal of this part of funds has also been significantly reduced. However, analysts pointed out that the capital inflows received by Bitcoin seem to have come at the expense of gold ETF capital outflows. Before the release of US CPI data this week, investors redeemed $858 million from gold ETFs last week, making gold outflows so far this year have reached $3.2 billion. Bitcoin's quadrennial halving, scheduled for April, is also causing optimism in the cryptocurrency community. The halving would reduce the number of Bitcoin's miners received to operate the powerful computers that verify blockchain transactions. According to past experience, this event is often seen as a factor supporting the price of Bitcoin. Historically, after halving, Bitcoin will hit all-time highs in the next few months. Bitcoin hit a new all-time high of $68,982.20 on November 10, 2021.